I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM slot not working updated. First, power off and unplug your PC before touching components. Remove the case panel and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Inspect the RAM sticks and slots for dust, debris, or bent pins that can cause poor contact. Keep screws and parts organized so reassembly is simple and safe. These safety steps make troubleshooting faster and protect your hardware. Start by testing each RAM stick individually in a known working slot to isolate a bad module. Swap the suspected RAM into a different slot to see if the issue follows the stick or stays with the slot. Use a memory test utility to scan for errors and confirm whether the module passes under load. Note any BIOS beeps or LED indicators and write down error codes to guide the next repair steps. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more fixes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep things fresh while you work on your PC. Check the description for the link and other deals related to parts and tools you might need. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If a slot shows issues, start by cleaning contacts with compressed air and a soft brush to remove dust and corrosion. Reseat the RAM by releasing latches and pressing each module firmly until both sides click into place. If problems persist, update your BIOS and chipset drivers to improve memory compatibility, and consider testing with known compatible RAM to rule out subtle mismatches or voltage issues before replacing parts or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.